How to hide camera roll video in Snapchat. So here's a quick and easy guide on how to do so they don't show up when someone looks at your memories or uses your phone. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. So once inside the Snapchat app, simply tap on the photos icon available right next to your circle camera shutter button. And once you tap on the photos icon, you'll be navigated to the memories and camera roll section. Simply tap on the camera roll at the top and choose for the photo you want to hide in Snapchat. So I chose this photo to hide in my Snapchat. Let's simply tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen first of all. Then once you tap on it, options will be available on your screen. From there, all you have to do is tap on the My Eyes Only. Simply tap on it, then tap on the move option available there, and Snapchat will ask you if you want to delete the original photo or not. Do according to your preferences, but if you want to completely hide it from your photos gallery, then delete it. Then go to the My Eyes Only option in your Snapchat, then enter your code. Then here you will find your hidden photos. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.